How do you expect me to say it? I speak the Queen's English.
Regulators! Mount up!
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm going to be doing a shrimp ceviche recipe, and it's real simple and easy. It really doesn't require any cooking, just a lot of fresh vegetables. So why don't you stick around and see how I do this. Okay, what we got here is 1 pound of raw shrimp that I deveined and pulled the tails off. So that's what we have in here. What we need to do is put this in a non-conductive bowl or a non-reactive bowl, glass like this. So we got our shrimp in there. The next thing will be to get our limes ready to cook this shrimp. And we're going to use a cup of lime juice from fresh limes. So we'll get busy squeezing those. Okay, so here's our fresh lime juice that we squeezed. We're going to pour this on our shrimp. You want to get it to where it's covering them all, like so. That was 6 limes that I cut up for 1 pound. So now we'll let this sit here and cook. It could take anywhere from 15 minutes to an hour. We'll just keep watching it. When they turn that pinkish color, then we know that they're cooked through pinkish white. So we'll set this aside and we'll get our other stuff ready for our ceviche.
Ceviche.
Jalapeno that we're going to dice up, and I'm going to glove up for this because, well, you know, I don't need certain areas burning later, like my nose, so because I will touch it. Let's just get this cut up and deveined and peeled, and then cut it into dices. So. a well-ripened avocado. Another thing I don't even like is avocado. I mean, really, they really don't have any flavor. Practically rotten when you buy them. They're like bananas. When they're rotten, what good is that? Ugh. Okay, and then the next ingredient is one red delicious apple, because they are delicious. Here's all our ingredients that we're going to be putting into the ceviche, the shrimp.
Ceviche.
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 We're going to squeeze some fresh lemon and some orange, and we're going to salt and pepper it also. Right now the shrimp, as you can see, is cooking really nicely in there. It's almost up to that pink opaque white color that we're looking for. We'll let it continue to marinate and cook in the lime juice, and we'll get back to finishing all this up in a bit. Okay, our shrimp is done cooking in the lime juice, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this strainer and strain them out of here, and then we'll chop them up. Now we're not going to use all this lime juice, so I'm going to dump out about half of it. So we have about that much left in there, and that's what we're going to mix everything back into. Okay, another ingredient we're going to add to this is crab meat. Now this is imitation crab. Go ahead, judge me, I don't care. All we're going to do is just kind of cut it up a little bit to make it into bite-sized pieces. A bowl with that little bit of lime juice. So now we're going to take our chopped up shrimp. We're going to put that down in there. Take our chopped up crab. We're going to mix that in there. We're going to take a little bit of It's Incredible all-purpose seasoning. This is salt, pepper, and garlic. So we'll just put some of that in here just to begin with. And then we're going to take all our veggies and we're going to slide them in there. All that avocado in there. Okay, then we're going to take a little bit of orange. And we're going to squeeze the juice from it in there. Put that in there, give it kind of a sweetness. We'll taste all this afterwards and see if we need to add anything. Then we'll take some lemon. Squeeze some lemon in there. Squeeze down in there. Then you want to just mix it all up, like so. All those delicious flavors molding together in there. other than the avocado, but you know, I'll try it. Alrighty, and we're gonna add a little more seasoning. Mixaroo, as some people say, technical term. Sorry, Gary, I had to throw that one in there. Alrighty. So let's get a vessel and let's taste this shrimp and crab ceviche. I mean, what kind of word is that? Ceviche. How do you expect me to say it? I speak the Queen's English. Alright, let's see what this will taste like. Let's get down in here. Put some in a little chip. Pile that on there. Let's give her a taste. What? You didn't think I was going to grill tonight? Cheers. Sometimes I do really, really good work. Yes. Wow. So many different flavors there. It's so delicious. Wow. I'm gonna have to get another one. Try another little boat here. Man, that shrimp, cilantro, that lime, that lemon, even that crab. Okay, the avocado too. It all just works. A red apple. Some people like to put cucumber in it. You can do that too. Make it how you want. Oh yeah. This is awesome. I don't know why I've never made this before. So good. Hey, you saw my recipe for this week. This is the shrimp ceviche.
Ceviche.
Yeah, whatever. Anyway, you know, it's all fresh vegetables that I used in it, and using that red apple instead of the cucumber. Next time I'll probably add the cucumber too. And you know, like I always say, I want to thank you for watching. You can do this too. And even though this wasn't grilling, you can still make shrimp ceviche yourself.
It's ceviche.
What is it?
Ceviche.
Ceviche. Yeah, grill on everybody. Gotta get those steaks going.